Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney. Many of our clients have been requesting on how to connect Quantower with their RMoney Demat account. So today we are bringing you this detailed walkthrough. Before we begin, let me give you a quick idea what Quantower is. Quantower is a system-based trading software which you can install in your laptop or your desktop as well. It provides various advanced trading tools such as multi-charts layout, technical indicator, a powerful trading interface that allows traders to analyze and execute trade efficiently. So today we'll learn how to connect Quantower with your RMoney Demat account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to visit Quantower's official website, which is quantower.in. Once the website opens, click on download button and wait for the file to download. Once the download is complete, you have to install the software into your system. So after successful installation, open Quantower. And since you're using the Quantower for the very first time, so you need to create your account. For that, you need to click on Get Started. And now here you have to enter the required details such as your email address, your full name, your mobile number, select the address, and now set up a password of your choice. And after filling the details, accept the terms and condition and click on Create Account. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. So enter the OTP and click on Verify. Once you enter the OTP, your Quantower account has been successfully created. Now to continue sign in, you need to enter your registered email address and the password which you have just created. Now click on sign in. Once you log in, you will see the Quantower interface, and now you need to connect your broker. For that, you need to click on this icon and in the search bar type RMoney and select RMoney XTS and click on connect. Now it will ask you to validate your Demat account. For that, you need to enter your RMoney client ID, enter your password, and make sure you click on this checkbox before you submit. Now enter the OTP. And once you enter the OTP, click on submit button. And as you can see that your RMoney broker account is now successfully connected with Quantower. And now you can start trading seamlessly. You can now open multiple charts, analyze different instruments at the same time. And there are also various other advanced features which you can explore. If you have any questions, please do comment down below. Until then, happy trading. Bye-bye.